going to move on to challenge 3 in a second. So you've already mentioned the Canadian GDP numbers this afternoon. There's a couple of pieces of data coming out, but next week you've got the next Fed meeting. You've got all the jobs data, non-farm payroll as well, and various things in that sort of area. So what we want you to think about now, challenge 3, is your trade for the week ahead. What are you going to do? Try to take advantage over it longer term. And I know you both have an interest in crypto, so it's good that Boris has taken the Bitcoin trade. I don't understand it. If I was going to think about where I could lose some serious money right now, it'd be in the crypto area. But hopefully that's why I don't touch it. I'm not looking to lose money. But,
you're such a girly girl. You're such a girly girl. Come on, man, get up there.
No. I got beat up too bad years ago. I keep to the safe things. Like
Boris, you can't lose $1 billion and call him a girly girl. Come on.
That's true. That's why I'm calling him that, because I think he'd appreciate the joke.
No, I don't know. Well, come on, look, a trade for the week ahead. What are you going for? Let's go with you, Andrew.
Okay, so week ahead. Look, I'm a trend follower, as you know, but I'm also respective of the fact that trends don't always continue without the corrective wave. Stock markets are incredibly high. I've been following the stocks all the way up since Trump got elected. I've been making a ton of money, not day trading it, but investing it. But I do think with what's happened this week, and looking at the sort of the longer term chart of the NASDAQ, which is the tech stocks in the US, we took out all-time highs basically at the middle of September. We touched it yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Yeah. We challenged it and we put in, see if I can make this a bit bigger for you to see. We challenged it with this bearish little pin bar, this green pin bar, which basically indicates that level of resistance up there, this panel up here, this high wick candle at this resistance level is, I think, quite a bearish formation. And I am taking a trade short in the NASDAQ for a retracement, a corrective wave. I'm still a long-term buyer, but a corrective wave over the next 5 or 6 days. You've obviously got a lot of news out at the moment. The tech stocks are struggling. You've got supply chain issues. You've got Amazon have got their workers issues. There's lots of fundamental reasons why the NASDAQ should not be this high at the moment. Profit warnings, Amazon, Facebook. Can't call it Facebook anymore, can we? Whatever it's called now, Meta.
Meta.
After
Metamucil.
So I think of all the negative news this week, like I know I'm full of cliches, but I know John Maynard Keynes says the market's going to remain irrational for longer than you can remain solvent. In other words, don't try and buck the trend, go with it. But I think that for a corrective wave maybe due for the NASDAQ, ideally with my strategy, I'll be selling the break of these pin bars, the break of yesterday's low, which would come in around the 1560 level. I'll be taking a short trade around that level should we break lower than there. So that's what I'll be doing.